2018 Kia Cadenza. With less than 58,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. Additionally, you'll be more than pleased with extra features like these: side view mirrors with turn signals, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, wood grain trim, backup camera, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, auto climate control, keyless entry. Get a fast and easy price quote today